Red Rock Bowmen is a family-friendly archery club located at the Southern Utah Shooting Sports Park in Hurricane, Utah. We are devoted to the sport of archery and welcome archers of all ages and abilities. We invite you to visit our range and see our fantastic facility that is convenient to St. George, Washington, and Hurricane. We have a permanent field archery range as well as a 14-target NFAA walkthrough field course with varying terrain. The club owns over 60 Reinhardt 3D targets, with subjects as small as skunks and as large as caribou. About once a month we set up our 3D targets for a club shoot in which all members can participate for a small fee. A low-cost lunch is usually available if you wish to buy it. We are advocates for training the next generation of archers and offer free programs for local youth. As a club member, you'll have access to the club facilities virtually 24/7 most days of the year. If you like to hunt, you'll find that many of our members are avid hunters and enjoy hunting together and make annual trips to their favorite locations. Joining our club is easy. Simply download an application and waiver from our website at www.redrockbowmen.com and either mail it in with the appropriate fee or bring it to the range during one of our public shoot days or 3D shoots. Public shoot days are the second and fourth Saturdays of each month. Hours vary depending on time of the year. Our membership fees are very reasonable and both single and family memberships are available. See you at the range.